Here I have HTC Desire 628, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap here, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, then go to the camera options. No, not camera options, you have continuous shooting. Enable this feature, and now when you hold down shutter button, it will take like a lot of pictures. And as you can see, here I have all of these pictures which I took while holding this button. It was 12 pictures. And here I can delete them all. So yeah, that's how you can take a burst shot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.